Previously, we learnt how to add suppliers to your account manually. However, this can be very time-consuming if you have a lot of data to enter. In this module, learn how to import suppliers to your Tidy account in bulk. Head to Import Export under Global Settings. Here, the 6 tabs show data areas that you can import and export in bulk. Go to the Suppliers tab to do a bulk import of suppliers. Download the empty template by clicking Template CSV File. Open this file on your device to edit it. You can type in your supplier information or paste it from another source. There are 3 mandatory fields. These are code, supplier name, and country. Your codes can comprise of numbers, uppercase letters, hyphens and/or dashes up to 10 characters long. In the country column, enter the full name of a country as it appears in Tidy. Make sure you have set up this country in your account beforehand. You can optionally add a contact, first name, last name, phone number, email and address. Once you have filled out all of the required fields and any optional fields, save your spreadsheet document, then go back to Tidy. Select Choose File to upload the spreadsheet we've just created, then click Import Suppliers. If we go to our list of suppliers now, the 3 new suppliers we've imported have appeared.